Print and Slab presents a mobile version of the Traders.One platform. Easy and affordable to use Android application allows you to conduct trade using your mobile device. The Android version contains the same windows as the desktop version. All of them you can see in the main menu of the program. Use the windows of Level 2, Position, Orders, Time and Sales for trading from the phone. Advantages of the Android version are also that here you can see the crypto data. So in that way you combining the stock trading and the cryptocurrency trading. The Traders.One application for Android is giving you complete control over your trading account, including a risk management system, access to various types of trading tools, fast execution of orders, and the ability to send all types of orders. Also, complete reporting of the history of your transactions. Make your trade comfortable and mobile with Traders.One.